Hey, what is up, guys? Rubber here from Rubber TV. Wanted to bring you an opening for the Sega Genesis anniversary, the 25th Sonic the Hedgehog anniversary. So I got it, and I'm gonna open it, guys. Open it for you guys, and once I get it open, then I'll show you. Okay, guys, I got the box open. And what comes in it is an instruction manual for it, and the console itself. And yes, you can play Sega Genesis games on here, like the cartridge ones. And comes with power cord and TV cord, and two controllers actually. It also has buttons on the side. It says player 2 and player 1 for that. Yes, these are wireless. You can get wired controllers for it. You can. And this one also has a switch for player 2 and player 1. And it also has, well, the joysticks really, buttons pretty much work. Of course, I need batteries for it in order to play it. But whenever I get this thing, I get these, this Sega Genesis anniversary thing all set up. Later on tonight, I will do some gameplay of some of the games, and I'll do some reviews on them. Like it comes with what does it come with? 36 Sega Genesis games, 3 Mortal Kombat games, and 41 arcade games. So we're going to have a little marathon of games. A marathon on this thing. I do have the... what other one do I have? The Atari 2600, or whatever Atari console it is. The anniversary pack of that one. I have that. If I can find it and get it out. And then I'll do a playthrough of all the games on there for you guys. And just need to see if I have batteries for this. This thing, you don't need it. You just need to plug it in. And yes, you can use Sega Genesis controllers, like the ones with the cords. And this, it comes with 2 ports. In case you, like if you don't see it, like right there, has 2 ports right there. So yeah, I'll be doing a video on this thing. I just need to put batteries in this. I think it takes like AAAs, 2 AAAs, I think. And I will do a marathon of these games. And also, I may sometime have Gamer Carnage come up here and we can do some games along with it. So, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video where I'll be playing those games.